morning. Mildly annoyed by Tesla this morning, let me tell you. When did I sell that at 395? 385? What the shit, bro? Ugh. That was a mistake. Kurt in the house. How you doing, brother? Yeah, these markets, man. It's fine. Sit out for a little bit, reset. I don't know if this is going to hold or it's going to continue to boom, rate cuts. I'm a little depressed. I mean, the Chiefs won. So there's that. Thank you. Thumbs in your bum? Yeah, thumbs in my bum, bro. Do I buy back in higher? I'm attempted to. Nah, I'm just going to wait. Melez in the house. How you doing, brother? Cardano hacked. It depends. Well, I'm really annoyed with the Cardano community. They're very toxic, bro. Like, people say it got hacked and then people just attack him like, you're a clown, you're a moron, you're an idiot. I'm just like, is that really a way to talk to someone? Not really a hack. I mean, that's another thing. I don't want to sit there and fucking argue with some asshole on whether or not it was a hack or not. I'm not going to sit there and dissect every letter in the definition of a hack. Was it a hack? I mean, technically, no, I guess, but I mean, you're just splitting hairs. And what is the definition of a hack? Someone poisoned the network with malicious code. Is that a hack? I mean, I don't know. Fuck. What do you need to be considered a hack? Money was stolen? Data was stolen? Okay, then no, it wasn't a hack. You win. You got me. Walter White would say, you got me. Fucking listening to the Cardano community is the most nauseating thing there is. Sounds like a hack to you. No, you're an idiot. You're a moron. You're a clown. It wasn't a hack. I mean, technically, it wasn't a hack, I guess, but it was fucking, it was bad. No, it wasn't, Tom. It self-healed and forked and did all this. There was a potential of double spins. You're going to tell me that wasn't bad? People lost money. Validators weren't able, the chain never went down, but a bunch of validators couldn't produce blocks. So it went down, kinda, and it forked. Sitting there trying to make it like sound like it wasn't that big. It was a massive deal. What would you rather have, your chain go down for an hour or this? I mean, I don't fucking know. I'm such a moron. Who cares? I mean, that wasn't a very nice thing to say. I care, but I don't care to be part of the discussion. Cardano's a joke, bro. I say the same. I say Solana's a joke because it goes down. Cardano's a fucking joke. I hate to break it to you. It's a shit chain. It hasn't accomplished hardly anything in the last 4 years. But they got Hydra. Where is Hydra? What has Hydra done for me ever? Oh, Midnight's running on Hydra. Oh, you mean the chain that's gonna vampire attack Cardano was running Hydra? That's fucking cool. The liquidity transfer from Cardano to Hydra. Cardano got Hydra working. No, Tom, you can stake Cardano and earn midnight. Okay, that's cool. People are still probably going to sell their Cardano for midnight. No stable coin still. Chainlink. Oh yeah, we got Chainlink in 2020 or 2021. Oh wait, no we didn't. Everything that comes out of their mouth's a lie. Charles Hoskinson drives around in his clown car of lies. Honk, lies. Chain go down. I mean, they both suck. At least Solana, I can go over there and lose money efficiently on shitcoins in the Solana casino. Can't do that. Cardano kind of, they had a little rip off of that. Snack.fun and some other lame one. I forget. Unsub! If you don't like me shit talking Cardano, I don't care. Am I bitter because I didn't make a bunch of money? Well, I mean, that didn't help, but Cardano didn't go up because it sucks. They haven't done shit. They can't accomplish anything. Governance, woo! Bunch of monkeys and clowns can vote for stuff. Let's see, what else in history do we have where voting works out really well? I mean, are there any examples of voting in humanity and how that works out? I can't think of any offhand. Maybe having a voting system was a good idea. There's no bad examples of that as you look across humanity. No corruption. I mean, voting is efficient. No corruption. No imbalances. What do we got? The E-mini S&P up 50. The NASDAQ up 380. I'm kind of low-key looking for a crash here. Really upset with my Tesla. It's a short week, so I don't know what to make of it. Guys got my blood pressure up on Cardano. I never said the benefit of midnight for Cardano. Like you said, it's a side chain where the validation's done on Cardano and the security layers on Cardano, I guess. It's very similar to Ethereum layer 2s, but you can earn. So there's a benefit. You can earn midnight. It's a privacy. I'm not really goo goo gaga. Like, I mean, I got a bunch of midnight for free, so fuck it. Hopefully it comes out to $10 a coin. I mean, we know that's not going to happen, but look at Zcash. I've been seeing a lot of like bullshit tweets, like old G Bitcoiners are selling and going to Zcash. No, they're not. For privacy. Okay. Zcash is now being used to funnel money. Yeah, fucking awesome. Crypto. Let's go. Crypto's amazing. All it is a bunch of fucking people trying to get rich, and instead they end up There's probably more gambling and more theft in crypto than anything ever created by mankind. Wallet drains, things like that. It's a fucking minefield, bro. Like, put your shit on. Like, if I were being keeping it a buck and not giving financial advice, I mean, you better really understand what you're doing with the hot wallet and a cold wallet. Put your shit on a cold wallet. Don't ever plug it in. Make sure you have good backups. Shamir B is my preferred method. Make sure you can recover your keys. It's a lot of work. Practice recovering your keys. And they'll still constantly worry that you're going to get hacked, or when you eventually have to send your money to an exchange, you're going to fuck it up and it's all gone. Sitting there waiting for 5 or 10 minutes for it to show up. That's fast, Tom. Yeah, that 5 or 10 minutes of sending tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars is fucking. I've made mistakes. Bitcoin 85.6 was trying to get up there, but it's failing. Hate to break it to you. This is still in a very much down pattern. It's below everything. Death crosses. It's ugly. What's it on the weekly? I mean, it's headed on a collision course to the 200. The 200 will hit on the weekly again. And that's currently at 55,000. Where's fickle ass Dr. Payne? Bitcoin will never go below 90,000. And then last week he was saying, oh, Bitcoin probably going to go to 50,000. The trend's your friend, Velez. The trend is your friend. Where's Kurt? I've been sitting here shitting on for Cardano for 30 minutes and he ain't saying shit. Trick ass Mark. I was thinking about maybe doing some stuff, but I don't know, man. You know, I love you. I love you, Kurt. Even though you're a Cardano sipping Kool-Aid clown. I won't unsub because of your opinions. Hey, thank you. Kurt driving around in his clown car of Cardano Kool-Aid. Sip, sip. I gotta go to the dentist today. I hate going to the dentist. Got another window guy coming by today. Had a fucking party Friday night. My new clown car is oh, did you get a new car? How much did that run you? I know your girlfriend was putting the screws to you. Microphone. So my backdoor neighbor is the one that's always running power saws. Had a party Friday night. It started at 6:00. I don't know. They're probably Indian, like from India. I think they're Indians. And holy fuck, they were constantly like, all like, oh, and then they started like dancing and singing and playing loud music. This going on for hours. And about 8:30 at night, the drums came out, and those motherfuckers, it sounded like a concert was going in my house. Oh my goodness, dude. I started crafting up some Molotovs in Rust, not on them, but yeah, I called the police on their ass. It was 10:00, bro. I mean, yeah, I'm a fuck that. Like, you want to have a party, that's fine, but a concert, no. So I'm definitely ordering some windows just for my sanity. I don't even know how much they would help, but I'd still be able to hear that shit. About 25K. That had to sting. It's hard to spend 25K when you've lost 100 racks recently. I mean, you haven't lost it yet. It's not a loss until you sell. Dung everywhere. I don't know how all the other neighbors put up with that shit, to be honest. I don't understand how my next door neighbor doesn't do anything about their dog. I need to check their windows to see if they have really good windows or something, because that motherfucker can't finance and just flop the cash. Why can't you finance? Have your wife finance that shit. I don't understand. She not have good credit? If her credit sucks, you need to get a divorce. You don't want to get up with someone that can't manage their finances. Take you down, bro. I know that's a harsh thing to say, but probably love her, but it's going to be a strain. She's racking up credit card debts, has a bad credit rating. MicroStrategy down for the week. What are they for the day? Down. They were all happy on MicroStrategy last night. It was pumping. How's that working out for you? No, I don't want to put her on it. Put her on what? You didn't want to put her on what? The car's for her or for you? She's very good with money. That's good. Oh, it's for you? So you were the one being the drain, having to borrow her car? You were the one being the strain on the relationship? You had to put on your big boy pants and get your own car? You got tired of hauling your ass around and you borrowing the car? You better been waxing that shit like 3 times a week like JT. I'd say wait till mid next year. Well, fudge, says Mikester. How you doing, brother? Fudge what, bro? Fudge Tesla. I wish I'd have held on to my Tesla. I was like stressing out about it too much. I let my size get too big in it. So that's what happens. Ask Kurt what happens when your size gets too big. He's probably still thinking about panic selling. Probably looking at the price 7,000 times an hour, praying that it goes up. I know because I've been there. $7,000 times an hour sounds about right. All right, Coinbase up some, Hood up some, gold up $17. Maybe I yellow some gold. Nah, yellow silver, man. That's got a 5x left in it. EQ's at 598. Gemini, I told you not to. I wouldn't invest in that with your money. SoFi I never liked, but maybe we find a little something something. What's Shardy B saying? Ciphers today, the day all around needs to close to confirm a bottom. We might get back into some cipher. Or I'm not looking to get a little crazy just because we have one green day, but the rate cut thing is looking pretty good again. I mean, someone kind of predicted that because they looked at bonds and thought that the Fed rate watch tool was not really reflecting. I'm kind of tempted. Put some stuff on. And just a little bit here and there. Like maybe a little Oklo. Oh, the 200 still looming on all this shit. EOS. Maybe get back. Did I sell EOS? I completely sold EOS. What the? Probably at a loss? No, I mean at a win. I got completely out. Uh, yeah, it's higher. I'm not. Oh, it's barely higher. Boy, I panic sold on Friday like a fucking cent, bro. Panic sold on Friday, and now I have FOMO. Blue in the house. How you doing, brother? Tesla's still looking good. You know what I might buy is like some Bitcoin. Not right now, but if it shows that the bottom's in and we're going to rally. I think we're going to go back to all time highs. I mean, I don't hate it. And she says Nvidia, that's not a great sign. Okay. Yeah, I just need to have some patience. One update, one nice little update doesn't really. This week, you got to be really careful. The volume's going to be less. This can be a bull trap. If it goes anywhere near break even, I'm taking the Outlander's worth off the table. Nice. This is why we are rallying so hard. Because of the rate cut. Okay, whatever. I'm missing something. I'm looking at my Walmart order. We wait because markets have been on fire out of the gate, but it's pretty simple today. Close above 597, and that is a daily reversal confirm. Is the 597 the same number Meet Kevin doesn't shut up about? $5.95. What's happening at 597? Something on the weekly, maybe? $5.95. There's two touches. Is that why Meet Kevin likes that? Yeah, I don't. There's a track line at 599. She's saying Bitcoin needed to close above 87. There's a crypto called Trapdoor. Imagine buying that. Oh, Tesla, why you do me so dirty? Tesla hitting 900 by May 2026. I'm really frustrated. I'm about to YOLO back in, bro. It'd only be $10,000, roughly. No, a little bit more. 15-ish. Wait for a dip. That dip might not happen. I mean, that tomorrow's PPI. So if I were to YOLO back in and the market tanks tomorrow, that would be just fucking the dumbest thing ever. That I. Yeah, I'm not. I mean, I want to YOLO back in, but I'm not gonna. I definitely have FOMO because I love Tesla, but there's gonna be other opportunities, even if I don't get a bunch more Tesla. Plenty of opportunities with robots and energy, and who knows, the recession and all that might still happen. So I shouldn't have my entire retirement account in Tesla, as much as I love it. I mean, I guess we can do a little gambling. You guys want to do some gambling? Ain't got shit better to do, bro. What? That got filled? What? Oh, I went long. That's not what I meant to do. Ugh. God damn it. Ah, that's frustrating. I meant to short it, and I'd be winning right now. Whatever. Okay, we can get out. Wait, I can't. Why can't I flatten? Oh, there it goes. Had my chance. It wouldn't let me flatten. I love losing money. Oh, come on, bro. Let me fucking move you. Ugh. This thing's kind of whack. I want to put in. Oh, wait. Can I go like. 24, 734. Why did it not? Oh, now I'm getting hammered, bro. Great. I would be up, bro. Twitter drama about location doxing is funny. JT in the house. Man, I would have nailed this trade, but nope, I'm a dummy. I don't understand why this isn't letting me flatten. New roof gets hell yeah. Why is that funny? Did they stick it in their butt? Put a little money in your butt. I bet it feels funny in your butt. Stick an oak tree up your butt. What comes after that? A boogie in your butt. A boogie in your butt. How long is it going to take him to put a roof on? Stick an oak tree up your butt. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. Come to Papa. 3 days. That's going to suck. Tuesday. Oh, all right. I got out at a profit, bro. We made $8. Now I'm going to short that shit again. Hopefully I get it right. Nope, I almost fucked it up. Wait. No wonder. Yeah, I did. That's what I want to do. Think I got it right? Yep, I got it right that time. I know it's feeling a little strong right now. Now we down money, son. Uh-oh. Do I pile on a second one at the casino? Bet it feels real funny up your butt. That's up 24. Fantastic. So they're what they're not going to be working on Thanksgiving, are they? Oh, next Tuesday. So not tomorrow. I'm going to say that's a weird timing. I got to gamble at the casino to make back this Tesla mistake. Do I leave it on tomorrow? 400 times 460. That would be like a $400 point up move would be an $800 loss. I think it's how much is it a tick? 25 cents? That can't be right. $1 a point? That might be right. Yeah, that's right, because it's $25 a tick on the big one. That's some fucking, like, right now I'm up 24 bucks. I'd be up 250, 300. It moves fast. So a 400 point move would be $100. Is that it? Sounds about right. So this is a pretty decent way to like engage. Just be engaged. You can just pick a direction. There's a little bit of leverage here, but it's not crazy. It's not going to bankrupt you. Once you start piling on the contracts. I mean, if you put 10 of these on, you might as well just put a regular on. It needs to let me move this easier. Fucking impossible, bro. There we go. You got to grab it. Try and pull out 100 points. Trying to get a little jiggy right now. Now I can flatten it. Why couldn't I flatten it before, bro? You want a pro? How many? Do you know how many people they're going to be there? You want a pro tip? Deliver those mofos some breakfast, bro. Otherwise, they'll do a shitty job. They'll be like, fuck this motherfucker. Out there in his warehouse, pumping iron, pumping his K-pop. How does daddy do it? Where are we at, bro? They need a button that I could click. Now I can't flatten it again. I don't understand. Oh, is that what made that? Oh, did I already? No, I'm still. Oh, I already got out. How does Daddy do it? 24,704. Oh, I didn't. I meant to go lower than that. Like, nah, it's fine. It's whatever, bro. We made $80 today. What's AMD doing? I'm not doing so hot if Nvidia is down. 11. I mean, it's not too bad. Mm-hmm. Up $8. I can buy like 100 shares and then sell at 220 and get almost $1,000. Borderline caller. Another thing I can do is just buy it here and sell a call. The 210 and make about $900. Seems like a great way to just tie up some capital, though. Cypher looking really good. What's EOS doing? Not much. I gotta just calm down because I'm itching to do something. But all right, let's get back into this because this thing's screaming. How does Daddy do it? I wish I would have nailed it at like 440, but I can't complain. Rejected. Oh, there's a flatten button right there. So flatten just it means whatever you have on, it just takes it off instantly at that time. Maybe we leave this bitch on. I feel like it's gonna crash. Yeah, order them some fucking Hardee's or some McDonald's breakfast sandwich. And hey, you know, what is it? $100? You dropped 50 grand. What's another $100? Here we go, baby. Come on. Let's go red. Why am I rooting for the market to go red? I feel like JT over here. You know, JT's rooting for the market to crash. Come on. Oh. I should flatten it here, but I'm going to have a little patience. Just a little patience. I'm not rooting for it to go crashing. I'm just trying to stay safe. Lies. You want it to crash so you can buy it cheap. Chris in the house. How you doing, brother? How about those Chiefs? Fucking shorting the bottoms. Shorting the bottom. Market's up 400 and some points. I shorted it. I'm delivering a master class. I'm being, what's that shit called? When you're the opposite of the crowd. I'm really brain farting. Uh-oh. Should have taken the profits. Don't think I won't pile on. Contrarian, thank you. That was the exact word I was looking for. Let's lose some money. I just added another contract. Am I out of control? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. MK doesn't hold a candle. I know, bro. I'm getting smoked right now, though. Are we about to go negative on the day? That's all right. Just kind of killing some time. We're at the casino, bro. The problem is that I'm playing with my retirement account. I've taken my retirement account to MGM Sands or whatever that shit's called. Fucking the Luxor. Oh, now come on, baby. Let's get one more crash. You're heavy. You're getting sleepy. Your eyes are getting tired. Uh-oh. You just take a Tadalafil? Where's Ricky's bitch ass today? There we go. That was a nice move down. Come on. Put the whole retirement count on black. Fuck that, bro. That's the kind of dumbass thing I would have done like 20 years ago. Hell, 15. Come on, let's get a little tankaroonie here. There we go. Let's get back. Let's get below 400. Your Tesla stock is doing. Yeah, I'm not happy about that because I sold 500 shares. You made me panic sell last week like a little fucking bitch. And yakking in my ear. I mean, I'm obviously not blaming you, but I'm blaming you. Come on, baby. Oh, let's just. This is what sucks about this, man. I'm gonna sit here and watch it. I'm not blaming you for anything. I'm just joking around. You think? Yeah, I know. We don't. We all know you think a crash is coming. I don't know what's coming. Man, this thing is kind of finding support right here. Me not likey. Tesla 430. That's fucking great. I'd have been back to break even. I could have bought it $10 ago, but Velez told me wait for a dip. You guys are fucking JT making me panic sell, Velez making me not buy back in, be a little bitch. Kurt. How was your weekend? It was okay. How was your weekend? All right, I'm about to lose. I'm down money. My Nasdaq trade has gone against me, bros. Do I add another one? Do I flatten it? Or do I add another? Work most of it, big deadline. Oh man, I told you this thing had some strength in it right now. We're down big now, boys. Hughes at 601, up 11. SPX up 71. Coinbase up 10 now, bro. Hood up 4. Oh, I sold my hood. I got money over here. Bitcoin 86.2. Cardano at 41. Kurt, what is your cost? Like 75 cents? 600's a big number on the Qs. Ooh, Meta. There's a gap. Oh, there's a gap to fill there and a gap to fill there. 64. Oh, that's not as bad. I think you'll get to that. It'll be a relief rally. Worst case, Palantir. I like Palantir too. We're getting smoked over here, boys. Tesla's still going. Fuck you, Tesla. Oh, I thought I saw 429. Okay. I wouldn't have been back to break even. I don't know why I thought I saw 429. Do we pump into Thanksgiving? There's PPI tomorrow, so who knows, bro? I mean, I don't know why you guys ask me what's going to happen. My answer is I don't fucking know. Pick a direction and bet on it. It's the best I can tell you. How markets work. You have an investment thesis and you bet on it. You pick a direction and you bet on it. What do you think is going to happen, Blaze? We got PPI tomorrow, and then Wednesday we got CPI. Couple big days. 10 pager to guide you. Thank you. MP hit 100 and rejected as expected, probably near term downside. Historically, I don't know. On Bitcoin or crypto? It historically pumps on bull market years, I think. Probably dumped and pumped. That's your thesis? So when we pumped and then dumped, the bull market top was before Thanksgiving, November 9th. It was over. This time, maybe it was October 10th. It was early. I think this right here could be 74, 75 might be when we get the relief rally. Dude is using BTC as a leading indicator for the Qs. Who is? Oh, crime? What? Who's using BTC? Open, beyond, no one cares. I'm down a couple $100 on this trade, guys. When do I pull the ripcord? MK? What? 595 on the Qs are absolutely critical. 5677 is next. Elon custom comments maybe help push to 414. I don't what custom silicon. We've known about these chips forever, and Dojo didn't help. Only works. Google holds and the Qs hold 5. Blah. Friday retail stocks like Target, Cake can run. If it's just Friday, it's a dead cat bounce. Where's he? Oh, if we had my guess today, Bitcoin starting up 2K versus Friday is a great sign. So fingers crossed, Q's rallying, get to 607. So you're saying possible by the dip. Reinvest AI update. Markets closed Thursday and early, and they're open Friday. I guess the market's open Friday. I may or may not stream. I don't fucking know. We're getting smoked on this trade. 507, bro. And it's still going. Utaka. That was pretty much it. All these pages and only about a page and a half of alpha. Bitcoin's looking strong-ish. Mm-hmm. A little bit of Ondo. Ugh. I remember someone talking about how this was such a good buy. You got that one wrong. I will not be playing the shitcoin game anymore. Virtuals. All my Ondo is gone. Made about nice. What is that symbol for the ETFs? Guys, I gotta fucking pee. What is the BlackRock one? I know there's FBTC. What's the BlackRock? I thought it was. Do I have it? FBTC. I bet. You guys didn't tell me. Sitting here fucking 49 bucks. A little bit of Ondo. What kind of premium do we got? All right, I just bought like 500 shares of iBit and sold 2 strangles. Still getting smoked in my NASDAQ trade. Bitcoin 86.6. Tesla 415. Up 24. It was up 30. I think I saw it up 29 and then I think that's how I got the 429. I went up 4. ETH up. Oh, I'm still in this trade. Yeah, that one's pretty much max loss, stupidity. Ooh, there we go, NASDAQ. Come back to Papa. I honestly thought Anu was going to be $5. Yep, I was thinking 20. How stupid I am. I should sell some calls here. At least like. No, I don't want to mess around.